Hospitals, health insurers, and pharma are looking to harness big data, and the growth is pushing the demand for new skills like data scientists and analysts. One recent study estimates that by the year 2018, the U.S. will be short 2 million workers with the required expertise. In the last installment of our series on the future of healthcare, Bertha Coombs takes a look at closing that talent gap.
I think we've got the data grid covered.
It may not be long before Explorys outgrows its offices in Cleveland. The healthcare big data firm has doubled its staff to 100 in the last year, as its client list has grown more than twofold to 200 hospitals and more than a dozen health systems.
We've done very well at attracting great talent. I think that our mission and purpose is key. We've spent a lot of time really thinking about what matters to us. And our purpose is to really unlock the power of big data to improve healthcare for everyone.
But Explorys may be an anomaly. Competition for workers with high-tech analytics skills has been explosive, in part fueled by new digital billing and patient monitoring requirements for hospitals, doctors, and physician groups under the Affordable Care Act. Employment research firm Burning Glass found while total online job postings have grown a tepid 6% since 2007, and growth in healthcare postings has actually slowed to 5%, healthcare informatics job listings have surged more than 50% in the last 5 years. But a PwC survey found 2/3 of hospital executives say after building up their IT infrastructure, they're having trouble filling informatics and data science jobs.
50–60% of those CEOs are saying that they're concerned that they don't have the skills required to execute the strategy that they just created. And that's to me a signal that there's a real issue here.
But it's not just hospitals. Pharmaceutical companies, insurers, and researchers are all on the hunt for data scientists. A number of health services firms have resorted to buying the talent they need. In December, McKesson acquired population health specialty firm Medvedev for an undisclosed sum. In January, United Health Group subsidiary Optum bought clinical benchmarking firm Humedica after having acquired customer analytics powerhouse Connections in 2011. Could Explorys, with its growing network of clients, be next? Steve McHale doesn't rule it out. But either way, he's committed to working with others in the industry to nurture and help develop new talent.
We're involved in university programs right now that are forming both undergrad and graduate level informatics programs at a rapid rate.
Long term, that's the only way the industry will be able to fill the talent gap. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bertha Coombs.